Hi guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to share one very important asana with you guys that is known as Murgasana. So my today's video again is on special request by one of my subscriber, Daniel Lobo. So Daniel Lobo, thank you so much for asking me to make this video because it's again a very important video. Before we begin our today's practice, let's just quickly go through the benefits of Murgasana. So Murgasana is one asana which was again used in ancient India as a punishment for students, and now we know how important it is. So guys, Murgasana is one asana which is very good for your memory, for your concentration power, also very good for all your excretory organs and all your reproductive organs. And when you practice this asana regularly, it just gives you very strong legs. It's very good for your thighs, for your knees and also for your calves, right? And also very good asana for giving you a very glowing skin. And few points to be kept in mind: people who are suffering from high BP problem, please don't practice it. And also people who have got severe knee problem or back problem, please don't practice it at home. And yes, today I want to give this 2-minute challenge to everyone. Practice this asana at your home, and if you can practice this asana for 2 minutes, I consider you as super fit. Yeah? So do share your feedback if you are able to do it or not. So just do share your feedback guys and do take this 2 minutes challenge. So let's see how to get into the asana. So first of all, stand straight, back straight, shoulders away from your ears, hands by your side. Deep inhale, deep exhale, inhale, exhale. Now give little gap between your legs. And now you inhale first, and while exhaling, slowly and slowly you bend your knees and try to go down. And now try to take your hands from the back of your knees and try to hold the earlobes, right? Hold it here for a few seconds and then again go down, complete exhalation. You can breathe normally here. And then again inhale and up, hold it here for a few seconds, release your hands and come up. Easy? And in case if you can walk in this Murga position, so it will again be very good for you. So you can practice this asana for 5 to 6 times or maybe for a few seconds, and if you can hold it daily for 1 minute or 2 minutes, whatever is comfortable to you, you will never ever develop any problem in your any body part. Right? So guys, do practice this asana, and in case if you have not subscribed my channel, please do so and keep showering your love. Lots of love and blessings to you all. Namaste.